Filipino. Mongondo. Filipino is the national language of the Philippines and serves as a standardized form of Tagalog, one of the country's major languages. It is based on Tagalog but incorporates elements from various Philippine languages, as well as foreign languages such as Spanish, English, and Chinese, reflecting the archipelago's diverse linguistic and cultural heritage. Filipino is used in government, education, and media, promoting national identity and unity among the Filipino people. As a language, it continues to evolve, adapting to modern influences while maintaining its roots in indigenous traditions. The Mongondo language, also known as Bulaang Mongondo, is an Austronesian language spoken by the Mongondo people in the Bulaang-Mongondo Regency of North Sulawesi in Indonesia. It belongs to the Greater Central Philippine subgroup of the Malay-Polynesian branch of the Austronesian family. The language has several dialects, including Lolayan, Dumoga, and Pasi, reflecting regional and cultural diversity within the community. Mongondo is traditionally used in daily life, ceremonies, and oral traditions, though it is increasingly influenced by Indonesian, the national language. Efforts to preserve and promote Mongondo include documentation and the use of the language in education and media, as it faces challenges from urbanization and language shift. Isa,
Mita,
dalawa,
dua,
tatlo,
tolu,
apat,
opat,
lima,
lima,
anim,
onom,
pito,
pitu,
walo,
waru,
siyam,
siyo,
sampu.
puru,
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka. Sambahin ang ngalan mo.
O Allah, ama nami inta kon soroga, tongabi ikaw inki ala inta sinumba, bo inta dayo-dayowon nami.
Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo dito sa lupa para nang sa langit.
Angay don parenta ay in kami poduduy inko ibog mo, kon dunia na onda bokon soroga.
Bigyan mo kami ngayon ng aming kakanin sa araw-araw.
O gay don kaanon kami singgay naa, inta tugat ko inami.
At patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala, para nang pagpapatawad namin sa mga nagkakasala sa amin.
Bo ampungay don tara nami, nadoman kami ay no ngampung kon intaw-inta ko tara ko inami.
At huwag mo kaming ipahintulot sa tukso, at iadya mo kami sa lahat ng masama. Amen.
Donay don pomaya mako, in kami ko bulian pirisaya, o wakutu in kami ko antugan in totungkul. Tae pilatay don in kami nongkon kawasa i inta moraat. Amin.